Good afternoon, my dear students. In our previous class, we studied how to find HCF by common factor method and how to find LCM by common multiple method. Today, we will learn how to find HCF and LCM by prime factorization method. To find the HCF and LCM by prime factorization method, we will first write the prime factorization of the given numbers. Then we write the common prime factors among the given numbers. In case of HCF, we will write the product of all common prime factors of the numbers, and that product will be the HCF. And in case of LCM, we write the product of common prime factors and also we write the product of non-common prime factors, and then we multiply both the product of common factors and product of non-common factors to get the LCM of the given numbers. Let us see with an example how to find HCF by prime factorization method of the given numbers. So see with the example. Consider the two numbers take two numbers. I am writing here find HCF of 24 and 36 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Find HCF of 24 and 36 by prime factorization method. So first of all, we will write prime factors of 24 and 36. We proceed like this. We have numbers 24, it will be divided by 2, so 12 will come. It will be also divided by 2, 6 will come, again 3 will come. Now we will write for 36, 18, 9, then here 3, here also we will write one more time. Now after writing this, we will write prime factorization of 24 and prime factorization of 36. Prime factorization of 24. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly, we write prime factorization of 36. Prime factorization of 36, which will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now, the common prime factors among these are 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. 2 here, but here is no. So 3 here, 3 here. So what are the common prime factors among these? 2, 2 and 3. So we write common factorization of of 24 and 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Therefore, HCF of the HCF of 24 and 36 is equal to the product of these factors of factorization. 2 to the 4 to the 12. Answer. By this way, you will find the HCF of the given numbers. If other numbers given to you, you will first of all write prime factorization of the numbers, then you write common factorization, thereafter you multiply the common factorization to get the HCF of the given numbers. I hope you understood how to calculate HCF of the given numbers by prime factorization method. Here I took example of 2 numbers. If more than 2 numbers given, even then you can find the HCF by the same method. Now I am going to tell you LCM by prime factorization method. Finding LCM by prime factorization method. So I am writing here, find LCM of 24 and 36 by prime factorization method. Again solution we have, we write in the same way, prime factorization for 24, prime factorization for 36. So prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then we write common factorization. So common factorization among this is 2 into 2 into 3, and after that we write the product of non-common numbers. We write the product of remaining factors. First the product of this one, and now factorization of remaining factors, or we can write product of remaining factors, which is equal to, now you see These two we have taken in common factorization. These two we have taken in common factorization. These two we have taken in common factorization. So remaining factors like 2 and 3. 2 into 3. And now LCM is equal. Therefore, the LCM of 24 and 36 is equal to the product of common factorization and product of remaining factors. Here it will be factors. So we write product of, I am writing this side, 36 is equal to product of common factorization and product of remaining factors. Remaining factors. So we will write here the product of common factorization 2 into 2 into 3 and product of remaining factors this. And now it will be 8, 2 to the 4, 3 to 12 multiplied by 2 3 is 6 and 12 is 72. So LCM of 24 and 36 will be 72 answer. This is the way to find the LCM of the given number using prime factorization method. I hope you understood how to find LCM of the given numbers using prime factorization method. So now you will be able to do the questions of exercise 8.11 and 8.12. Now I am going to tell you some problems based on HCF and LCM. I am going to erase this one. Once more you see, to find the LCM by prime factorization method, we write the prime factorization of the given numbers, then we write the common factorization of the numbers, and we write the product of remaining factors. LCM will be product of common factorization and product of remaining factors. So here we have common factorization and here the product of remaining factors. When we multiply these two, we will get the required LCM. Now I am going to tell you some problems on LCM and HCF. So try to understand these problems. Listen me carefully about these types of problems. Questions given to us that find the lowest value which when divided by the given numbers, divides exactly. Means we have to calculate or find a number which on divided by the given numbers leaves remainder 0. Divide or divisible exactly means leaves remainder 0. In this case, when we ask find a given number which is find a number lowest number or greatest number which when divided by the given numbers exactly then we calculate LCM of the numbers. Or when it is given, find the greatest number which divides the given number. Find the greatest number which divides the given number exactly without leaving remainder, leaving same remainder or leaving different remainder. We calculate HCF. In case of leaving remainders, first of all we subtract the remainders, then we find the HCF. And in case of LCM, if it is given, find the smallest or greatest number which when divided by the given number leaves remainder same, leaves different remainder. Then first of all we add the remainder in the given numbers and then we calculate the LCM of the given numbers. Let us see with an example. I am directly coming to the question which is given in exercise 8.13. Question number 1 is, I am taking directly question of exercise 8.13. Read first question. Here I am writing solution of first question. It is written here, find the highest number which divides 27 and 45 exactly. Means we have to find a number which divides the given number. In this case, we will calculate HCF of the numbers. What will we calculate? HCF of the number. So, we will write here, to find the highest number which divides this, we will calculate HCF. We will write, to find the highest number which divides 27 and 45 exactly, we find HCF of, we find exactly, here comma, we find HCF of 27 and 45. Now, you have two methods to find HCF. You can write common factors or you can find by prime factorization. Now I am writing prime factorization. So for 27, it will be divided by 3, 9, again by 3, 3 will come, again by 3. For 45, it will be divided by 3, 15, again divided by 3. Now 5 will come, by 5, 1. Here it is 1. So prime factorization of 27 is prime factorization of 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, and prime factorization of of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Among these we write common factorization. Common factorization is equal to this is common, this is common. means 3 into 3, and thus therefore the HCF of 27 and 45 is equal to 9. Thus 9 is the number which divides 27 and 45 exactly. We write thus 9 is the number which divides 27 and 45 exactly. So this is a question which is based on HCF. You will also get the question which is based on LCM. So I hope you understood today's class. Remaining questions we will discuss in the class in Google Meet. Till your homework will be, you will do exercise 8.11, 8.12 and 8.13. Thank you.